So I was just making a video to replace this bad boy and this happened. Bummer, the plastic broke. So if you need to replace your reservoir, let's do it together. First thing we wanna do is remove our plastic shield. For that, it's just a series of clips. We can take a flat screwdriver, they give you a little spot to slide it in. We'll wiggle it back and forth, pop up, and that removes our clip. We'll do that to all of them, and then this whole thing just comes up and out. Next, we have this lower hose to remove, the pair of pliers. Just pinch this clamp, just slide this whole thing off. There, just like that. Perfect. Now our upper one is already broke, but if yours is not, same thing, we have that clamp there. We'll just pinch it together, pull it back. Now I'm gonna reuse this hose, so I'm gonna get all that debris out from inside. So I'll just crush that plastic, just like that. And then just have it all come out. I might need a pick to kind of get in there and pull it all out. This brittle plastic. There, that's all of it. From here, it's just two 10mm bolts. Then it slides up and out. And we want to take our new one, match it up with the old one, and just make sure everything is the same. This is a little different color, but that's no big deal. Now we'll slide it on, get our bolts in, get them started by hand first. Snug them down. Take our hose, put it on, clamp. On like that. Pinch the clamp, push the whole thing on. Nice. And I like putting the clamp in the same spot it was before, and you could tell by the imprint it leaves on the hose. Put our cover on, put in our clips, push the base in, and then the top. Last but not least is to fill it up. Now this system is self-burping, so if you lost a lot of coolant, that's okay. Just keep filling this up until we get to our max line. Now we'll start it up, let it warm up, then we'll turn it off, let it cool, and top off as needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.